Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. We have nowhere to travel and nothing to hunt. Now there is even more that must be explained, a wisdom that is beyond traveling. A wisdom that is beyond traveling is the finest path. We use paths and the grounds for deviation that there are on paths to join with what it means to be aware without trying. We join things together using meanings, ways, and analogies. Then we enter into what it means to be a space that is equal to the sky. The outer and inner vessel and contents are the embodiment of the Dharma. Self-originating awareness is a space that is supreme. It is effortless. It is beyond the influences of the planets. Self-originating awareness is the supreme path. Concerning the wisdom that retains experiences without exemplifying them, it is to be enjoyed right to the end of the sky. On the road to freedom, which is the secret of the three realms, a wisdom that does not come or go is shining. This is not by stages. It is present in a single moment. We do not expand, we do not contract. This is how it is. There are no outsides or insides. This is the dominion of the Dharma. Self-originating wisdom is a light that is clear. It diffuses in a single moment to encompass the sky. The three essences of this king of self-clarity are that the three bodies arise by themselves as the force of our awareness. Our primordial presence and the things we understand must be known to be paths that are meaningful. What this means is that there is no mistake in the path of the middle way. We understand that it is just like entering a river. When we make determinations, these are the determinations of a clear awareness. This is totally clear. But it is not anything at all. Self-originating clear light is exhausted within equanimity. This is beyond the objectives of our demarcated conventionalities. The middle way is beyond any visualization. It is a path of honesty.